We are pleased to show you the 2005 Dakota. The Dodge Dakota combines form, function, and fun. With its rugged style, well-rounded capability, and seating for 6, the Dakota brings you the ultimate mid-size pickup and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, tachometer, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, cloth bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.